Yo, what's up, guys? So, you just have to take care once again. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to verify your Adsense account with PIN. Adsense account, Admob account, Adsense for YouTube, all this stuff. How you can verify it with PIN direct from Google. So, last week I ordered for my PIN. I said last week, sorry, last 3 weeks I ordered for my Google PIN. So you can see here my identity is verified. You can see it here, and this is the address verification. This is the address verification. You can see it here. So for the address verification, you will have to request for PIN from Google. You once you when you requested for the PIN, you will now click on you will just once you do your identity verification, you proceed to do your address verification. So under that process, you put your PIN here and request for your PIN. You will just request for your PIN, and Google will send it to your billing address, which is the address I used. This is the address I used. So sometimes a lot of people do complain that they did not get their PIN. You can see it here. They say that your PIN request, your PIN is sent by standard post and may take 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. So normally PIN do take 3 weeks to arrive on your to your postal office. That's to your postal code. So to your post office, sorry. And with that, you are good to go. Once you get your PIN, you copy your PIN and paste the 6 digit code here, and you are good to go. So that's just it. And a lot of people have been complaining, talking about this, that it's not, they are not getting their PIN, they are not doing all this too. So if you are not getting your PIN also, I've already done a video talking about how you can verify your AdSense Admob account without PIN. But before you can do that, you have to place the verification for about 3 times to 4 times. That is 3 months before you can do the other method. I will pin the video um, under this video now. So I've already gotten my pin for the first attempt. I run it, and for the first attempt I got my pin. So now I insert my pin here, and I will insert my pin here and verify my account right now. So before then, you can see this is my pin here, this is my pin here, and also you can see this is the email I got um, from Google. You can see it here, and this is my pin here. So let me just paste it. I've already copied it, which is this. You can see 311107. So that's it here. So we click on submit right now. Now you can see just simple address verification completed. So I'm done verifying my account right now. You can see. Let's come back to the verification and let's reload here. Completed. Just simple as that. No much stuff. So if you want to verify your AdSense or Admob account and you don't know how to do it, you can just come um to my WhatsApp. I will scale you through on how you can do it. And also if you want to know anything about Google Ad Mobile, you can make money by having an app on Google Play Store. You can also drop me a message. And if you're having any question at all, just drop me a message. I will actually reply you and also help you out. So now I'm waiting for email confirmation from Google. Waiting for email confirmation from Google so that I can receive the email that my identity is verified. So with this, my identity is already verified. So thanks for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, and also subscribe to get more tips about how you can verify your AdSense Admob account, how you can make money from Admob, and more things. So bye guys.